Understanding negative articles in German grammar. Learning German involves mastering various aspects of grammar. And in this video series for beginners, we delve into the intricacies of articles. After exploring definite and indefinite articles in the nominative case, we now shift our focus to negative articles. Importance of negative articles. Negative articles play a crucial role in conveying the absence or negation of a specific item. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use negative articles in different cases and genders. Recap: definite and indefinite articles. Before delving into negative articles, it's essential to review the basics of definite and indefinite articles. The definite articles are der for masculine, die for feminine, and das for neutral. The indefinite articles are ein for masculine, ein for feminine, and ein for neutral. Negative articles in practice. Let's apply our knowledge to form negative articles. Using examples in the nominative case, we'll demonstrate how the negative articles change based on gender. Masculine singular, definite article, der. Negative article, keen. Feminine singular, definite article, die. Negative article, keen, singular. Definite article, das. Negative article, keen, plural. In the plural, where there is no indefinite article, the negative article remains the same for all genders, keen. Gender-specific negations. Understanding gender-specific negations is crucial. For example, masculine, ein Kuli, a pen, becomes keen Kuli. Feminine, ein Blume, a flower, becomes keen bloom. Neutral, ein Buch, a book, becomes keen Buch. Plural negations. Negating plural nouns is straightforward. Plural, Zindes Stana some pens, becomes keen Stift. Recap of negative articles. To summarize, masculine singular, keen. Feminine singular, keen. Neutral singular, keen. Plural, keen. Both definite and negative articles follow a similar pattern. In practice, masculine ein keen. Feminine, ein keen. Neutral ein keen. Conclusion. Mastering negative articles is a significant step in German grammar. Remember, while these are termed negative articles, they also function as indefinite articles. Practice these concepts and enhance your German language skills. Auf Wiedersehen.